Hello everyone, my name is Barsa Mohapatra. I am a student of Ajamil Institute of Technology and I am here to submit my assignment of tall building design of skyfi lab by the software using eTabs. It including some steps as initial setting. Initial setting was under the setting of unit and setting of code, which is Indian standard, and the codes are for concrete and steel. Material definition, defining the elements of structure which are beam and column, drawing the elements of building, which defines that the column and beam which are assigned to the building, the application of dead and live load to apply the dead and live load to the building, application of wind load, run analysis, design and detailing and report. Here is the building design which I have done, which have the 23 storage building, the store number 1 to 8 having the live load of 5 kilonewton per meter square, storage 9 to 14 having similar storage which have the live load of 4.5 kilonewton per meter square, storage 15 to 19 have live load of 4 kilonewton per meter square, storage 20 to 23 having the live load of 3.5 kilonewton per meter square, and it all are similar. The dead load is of 2 kilonewton per meter square. The elements of beam and column which we are using, that the column is of 500 into 500, 550 into 550, 600 into 600, and the beam are 500 into 300, 550 into 350, 600 into 400, and the concrete mixture which we have used, that is M40, and the bar are HYSD 500, mile 250 rebar, slab of thickness 150, and the mixture of concrete is M40. Auto draw cladding is used. Cladding load is of 0.2 kN per meter. Wind load consider parameter in Bangalore. Here I have already done my building design. Here is the plan and here is the 3D model, and now I will start from the edit option to show you the grid system as modified from the similar storage like this. These all have 8 storage as master storage, and these are similar to 14 number of storage master storage, and these are of storage 19 and these are of storage 23. Like this is designed, and after that I will like to introduce with define, which shows the material of properties which we have used in this building, that is M40 concrete mixture, HYSD 500 of rebar and mile 250 as material. After that, for the section properties, we have used some frame sections as the beam, as I have told, beam of 500 into 300 beam, like this 3 beams are mentioned here and 3 columns are mentioned here. I have just modified this and made into a auto beam, through which at the last time of analysis the building will take the predictable and good size of beam for its safety. Here the beam is done. After that, again define with section properties. For the slab selection, I have used slab of 150 mm, slab as 150 mm, and the thickness is 150, and the slab material is M40. After that, let us assign or draw the beam and column. Though I have already assigned and draw the beam and column, so I can't show these options here, but after that we can assign the load as sale load of the dead load and live load. Dead load is at in all the storage, live load vary through the different type of storage, and say frame load is defined as the cladding load in the outermost beams. After that, the last load, which is defined through the load pattern as wind load. Here I have assigned the wind load like this, having, though we have the building in Bangalore, so the speed of wind is 33, radiant category is 3, structure class is C, this coefficient factor is 1, topography is 1, and the storage number is top storage 23 and bottom storage base, which is selected, and the beam and the load which is applied. Now after applying the load or assigning the load, it's time to analyze. And before this, I want to mention one thing. Here we can do as the analyze of run analysis. Here the analyzing is going on like this. Storage, and here we can see the displacement in 3D view. After that, to design, after analyzing, the building is safe, though the concrete frame as and start designing check, and here it is going on. Here the beam is safe, the building is safe now, and the all beam are passed, so there is no notification. After that, we for our check again the concrete building, the verified passed, and here is the last step. Okay, thank you. And here at last I want to show the project and summary, as I have to display that for my reference. Yes, here I have, that is the all detailing and designing of the building is here. So with this I want to end. Thank you VTAP software for this good knowledge, and which is very useful in this initial and crucial period. Thank you.